Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We're going to make a Mediterranean salad that's colorful and full of nutrition. We're going to start with some whole grains. It's a mixed whole grain blend. We're going to add some chickpeas and all different colored vegetables. We're going to chop them up really tiny. We're going to make a nice light vinaigrette with some garlic in it. We're going to mix it all together, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. So come join us. Here we have some spinach, some fennel, celery, a plum tomato, some red onion, a red bell pepper, some carrots, a cucumber, and a cherry pepper that we grew in the garden. So I'm really excited to use that. I love using things that we grow ourselves. So all of these many colors, we're going to chop them up as tiny as we can for our chopped salad. Also in this salad, we're going to put some garbanzo beans, which are chickpeas. We're going to rinse them and drain them. And we have super grains. This is a blend of white and red quinoa, millet, and buckwheat. I just thought it looked really good. And we're going to boil that, about a cup of it. We'll see how much that blows up to be. And we're going to combine these all with a nice vinaigrette. We're making the grains according to the package instructions. So I've boiled 2 cups of water here. We've thoroughly rinsed the grains, and in they go. Now we're putting a lid on it, and they're going to simmer for about 16 minutes. Time to make the vinaigrette. I have a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. I diced up 1 garlic clove. I'm adding some salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon, some pepper to taste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. I have a few fresh basil leaves here that I'm just going to tear into it. You can add any herbs that you want. I'm just going to whisk this together with a fork. In this large mixing bowl, I've added the chickpeas, which I've rinsed and drained. And now we're going to add all of these vegetables that we chopped up. So in goes the cucumber, the celery, the tomato. See all the colors already? Carrots, get a little orange in there. The cherry pepper, red onion, the fennel, the red bell pepper, and some spinach. Now all that's left is to add the grains and the vinaigrette. And here we have our chopped Mediterranean salad. Lots of colors. Doesn't that look good? If you struggle with how to fit whole grains into your lifestyle because you don't want a big blob of quinoa on your plate because you think it might be boring, this salad is a great way to get a lot of whole grains. You're getting 4 different kinds in 1 serving. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and please let me know in the comments below if you try it for yourself. And send me pictures because I want to see your beautiful, colorful salad. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it really helps. Thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.